What is going on, YouTube? Um, Probably as you guys have seen with my videos that I put up, I was actually at the Brainerd International Raceway for the NHRA races. Um, had an awesome time. It was my first time going there with a couple of my friends, and I think I'll be back there next year. Um, I had a blast, other than how expensive it was. I had a real fun time. So took a bunch of videos, and you guys should see them on my YouTube channel. And on Friday, I ordered some tools through Amazon, and they actually came today when I was up north, um, watching the races and all that stuff. So this should be a bunch of my wrenches from Tekton, a lot of my bigger wrenches. Um, so let's get this stuff open up. I got about 3 packages here, so let's open the first one up. Let's see what we got. Let's see. This says a 20mm wrench. And yeah, I know it's probably just a normal size, but I have everything from what, 6mm to 19. And then I also have everything from a 1/4 inch to 1 1/4 inch. So I'm building my set up of all the wrenches that go above that. So I can see I'm gonna have a little fucking trash bin when I get done with this. Huh. They don't give me a part number on this, but they give me a phone number if I ever have any questions. So, as you guys can tell, Tekton, that's a 12 point. Tekton 20mm. Just normal standard wrench. This one, because it's Tekton, does not have the word grips on that end. But for how much I'm going to use it, I really don't think I need the teeth right here. But we'll see. But yeah. Oh, here's a part number. The 18291. It's a 20mm Tekton wrench. So that's the first one. Let's see here. Put that on the floor. Again, all these wrenches are going to be about the same style, 12 point box end. This one is a 21 millimeter, so that'll come in handy. Let's open the next box. Big boy boxes. Nice thick boxes. Okay. Part of this purchase, I also bought some big wrenches that I actually use a lot. Oh yeah. You guys might look at me and go, what does he need that big wrenches for? Doesn't the shop stock that stuff? They do, but I also work on my own shit on the side. So yeah. Tekton 1 3/8. Yeah. That's a big mama jamma. Next box. Another big one here. This is actually a size I use every day. Inch and 5/16. Yeah. I use this a lot for working the nuts on tie rods. So this one will be used a lot. Slowly I'm going to be getting everything up to 1.5 inches. And then after that, I'm like, the shop can give me the rest of that. But, because I also have the Tekton 1/2 inch drive deep socket set that goes to 1.5 inches. So, I figured that's good enough. Last and final box. Let's see what's in this one. Should be 2 more wrenches, I think. I think I ordered a total of 6 wrenches. There's 1. There's 2. And that's it. Let's see. This one says it's a 22 millimeter. 22 mil tekton. .12. That won't work good. And this one should be my 1 3/16. Yes, sir. Tekton, 1 3/16. So, 12 of course. Normal open end. So now, when it comes to my standard, I have everything from a 1/4 inch all the way up to 1 3/8. I still have quite a bit to go to get to my 1.5 inch. And then now I also have a metric. I have the from 6mm up to 22 mil. That's all mixed now between Snap-on, Matco, and Tekton. But yeah, so that's everything that I got today. And but yeah, guys, I got these 6 wrenches from Amazon for $117, and 1 wrench from Matco Tools. This one, this size, 1 3/16, right? Smallest SA1 I bought. This wrench alone was maybe $22, $24 from Tekton. Okay, when you compare that to a Matco wrench, yeah, they wanted $135 for 1 wrench. Like I said, I got 6 wrenches from Tekton for $117. I mean, I could have probably gotten a kit. I don't know if they sell these in kits. It took me a while to find the big SAE stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna start to build my SAE setup first, and then I'm gonna work on metric. I use my standard stuff a lot more than I do my metric, just because I don't work on cars, I work on semis. So, but again, had a blast at the races, had a fun ass time. Expensive, but I had fun. So, like always, guys, if you are a subscriber, thank you very much. If not, please hit that subscribe button right down there. Make sure to hit that bell so you know when I come out with new stuff. And other than that, guys, keep the shiny side up, greasy side down. We'll catch you on the next vid. See ya.